Welcome to your future as a digital nomad in 2026. The dream of working from anywhere is now a reality for millions. This lifestyle is about freedom, earning a living while exploring the world. Picture wrapping up work, then heading to a Thai beach or a Lisbon cafe. In 2026, remote work is mainstream. Companies trust teams to deliver from anywhere. Technology keeps you connected and productive no matter where you are. This guide is your roadmap to building your ideal nomad life. We'll cover the best tech, how to pick your perfect base, and what a typical day looks like. You'll learn how to balance work, adventure, and relaxation. We'll share tips for staying healthy, happy, and connected on the road. This isn't just about work. It's about creating a life you love. Ready to imagine a life where your office view changes as often as you want. The digital nomad lifestyle in 2026 is filled with adventure and growth. Let's dive in and discover how you can make this your reality. Your journey to freedom starts now. Your tech setup is your lifeline as a digital nomad. In 2026, laptops are lighter, faster, and last all day. Add a portable second monitor for a full office experience anywhere. Your smartphone keeps you connected globally, with 5G and satellite messaging. Don't forget a high-capacity power bank for all your devices. Noise-canceling headphones help you focus in busy spaces. Cloud storage like Google Drive keeps your files safe and accessible. Project management tools like Asana or Trello keep you organized across time zones. Communication apps now offer real-time translation and crystal-clear video. A universal travel adapter is a must for global charging. Portable Wi-Fi hotspots give you secure internet wherever you go. With these tools, you can work efficiently from any corner of the world. Your tech toolkit is your passport to productivity. Stay connected, stay powered, and turn any spot into your office. The right gear makes the nomad life possible. Let's see how to choose your perfect base. Picking where to live is one of the best parts of being a digital nomad. In 2026, digital nomad visas make it easy to stay in many countries. Consider cost of living. Cities like Chiang Mai or Budapest are affordable and vibrant. Look for places with strong nomad communities, like Lisbon or Medellin. Co-working spaces and meetups help you connect and feel at home. Match your destination to your lifestyle. City buzz or nature escapes, the choice is yours. Reliable internet is non-negotiable. Check speeds before you move. Time zones matter if you work with teams abroad. Latin America is great for North American hours. Choose places that fit your hobbies, whether it's surfing in Mexico or art in Florence. Make a list of what matters most to you. The freedom to move or stay is yours. Switch cities every few months or settle in. Your base shapes your experience, so choose wisely. The world is open. Find your perfect spot. Research, connect, and go where you'll thrive. Your next home could be anywhere. Let's look at what a typical day might feel like. The adventure is just beginning. What's a typical day for a digital nomad in 2026? It's up to you. Many nomads start with a morning routine, walks, yoga, or meditation. Enjoy a local breakfast, then dive into focused work blocks. Work from a cafe, apartment, or co-working space, wherever you're most productive. Take long lunch breaks to explore, relax, or try new foods. Afternoons mix more work with personal time. Flexibility is key. If the weather's great, swap work for adventure and catch up later. Evenings are for socializing, hobbies, or unwinding. Meet other nomads for dinner or join a local class. Setting boundaries helps maintain work-life balance. Shut your laptop and enjoy your surroundings. This blend of work, exploration, and connection makes the lifestyle sustainable. You're in control of your time and your experience. Next, let's make sure you're always connected. Reliable internet is essential for digital nomads. Always book accommodation with proven Wi-Fi, check reviews and ask for speed tests. Get a local SIM or eSIM for affordable mobile data as backup. Use your phone as a hotspot if Wi-Fi fails. Co-working spaces offer fast, stable internet and a productive environment. Cafes can be good, but always have a backup plan. A portable Wi-Fi hotspot gives you secure internet anywhere. Layer your options: home Wi-Fi, mobile data, co-working, and hotspot. This redundancy keeps you online and stress-free. Stay connected wherever you roam. Health is the foundation of a happy nomad life. Stay active with routines you enjoy. Run, do yoga, or join a local gym. Explore your surroundings, hike, swim, or bike around new cities. Book places with kitchens to cook healthy meals and save money. Balance local treats with nutritious choices, and stay hydrated. Mental health matters. Stay in touch with loved ones through regular calls. Build new friendships at meetups, classes, or co-working spaces. Take breaks from screens and spend time in nature or reading. Secure good travel health insurance before you go. Get checkups and vaccinations in advance. Choose insurance that covers you globally. Prioritize your well-being for a sustainable journey. Healthy habits keep you energized and resilient. Take care of yourself, and the adventure lasts longer. Now let's talk about building your community abroad. Humans need connection. Community is vital for nomads. Start online. Join Facebook groups or forums for your destination. Ask questions, get advice, and find local events before you arrive. Apps like Meetup help you find groups for your hobbies. Co-working spaces are social hubs. Attend their events and meetups. Don't be shy. Initiate conversations and invite others to join activities. Many nomads are looking for friends too. Building community takes effort, but it's rewarding. These friendships become your travel family. Your global tribe will support and inspire you. Connection makes the journey richer. Next, let's make sure your finances are ready for the road. Smart money management is key for digital nomads. Use online banks with low fees and multi-currency options like Wise or Revolut. Get paid easily with services like PayPal or Wise Business. Track spending and savings with budgeting apps. Understand your tax obligations. Consult a nomad-savvy accountant. Some countries offer simple tax rules for digital nomads. Always keep an emergency fund for unexpected expenses. 3 to 6 months of savings gives you peace of mind. Financial stability lets you focus on adventure, not stress. Organize your finances before you go. The right setup makes global living simple. Money freedom is part of your nomad journey. Now let's take the first step. You've learned about tech, places, health, and money. Now, it's time to act. The idea of moving abroad can feel overwhelming, but start small. Research a couple of cities that excite you, watch videos, read blogs, join online groups, assess your skills and look for remote work or freelance opportunities. Begin building your emergency fund, even with small savings. Declutter and sell what you don't need. Simplify your life. This process helps you focus on experiences, not things. Believe in yourself. Millions are living this life, and you can too. There will be challenges, but the rewards are huge. You'll see the world, grow, and discover new sides of yourself. The world is more accessible than ever. Take that first step. Research, plan, and connect. Your grand adventure is waiting. And for more of the best travel tips, visit www.williguru.com. What will your first step be? The journey starts now.